All right, Chad, let's see if Jamaican KFC banging. That's my dad. Let me just mix everything together.
It's a Rastaman lifestyle, you see me? All right.
Little bite.
Beans.
So 3 beans stew.
This should look good.
Seasoned callaloo.
Mushrooms. Yeah, there you go.
Mushrooms.
All right.
We have quinoa and peas.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to this channel once again. This is the moment that a lot of people knew was coming, because once IShowSpeed started trying Jamaican food, the reactions were almost guaranteed. Jamaican cuisine has a reputation for shocking people the first time they experience it properly, not just because of the flavor, but because of how bold and different everything tastes. So guys, let's watch until the end, and then I'll come back and break down why Jamaican food always leaves such a strong impression and why Speed's reactions are getting so much attention online. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All credit goes to the original creators of this video.
Tasty! Is it tasty? Excuse me. Can I get a Jamaican patty? Huh?
Anything to drink?
Diet Coke, please. Wait. Can I order another one for my dad? Child, we about to get a Jamaican patty, bro. No cheese. No. My chat said cheesy beef.
Your number is 15.
15. What's my number?
150.
150. All right, 150. 150. What? Can we order? Wait. Can I order beef? Can I order cheesy beef patties for my team?
Sure.
Thank you.
How many? Good afternoon. Cheese patty.
Is that 150? Which one? Beef? Ooh, it's hot. Damn. I gotta let that cool off for a little bit. That boy hot. Cheese? I'm gonna call y'all hot and toast, hot and tasty. That was quick. Chad, should I try the cheese first? I might want to try the cheese first. Damn! Damn! Chad, that cheese patty? Chad, let's try the beef. Chad, let's try the beef one. Man! Chad, the chicken one good too. Chad, the chicken one good as hell too. Shit, too hot. Oh my God. Man, I need some water. That chicken was good as hell too. Hey. Dad, you need to try one. Which one's the cheese one? You need to try one. Wait, what if I try them all together? Can I get a cocoa bread? Thank you. Dad, what is cocoa bread? Is this bread? Wait, do you put it in there? Oh, like that. Oh, Chad, I see. Okay. Wait, can I get a cheese one? Wait, cocoa bread? Hold on. I want to try the cocoa bread with cheese in it. I feel like that combo will be fire. Watch. Thank you. Hear me out. Watch. Let me see if I'm right. Wait, just bread. That was just bread. Hold on. I was right. Hey. Cocoa bread with the cheese? All right, Chad, let's see if Jamaican KFC banging. That's my dad. That's good KFC. What? You say? What? Oh. Hey. WKFC, bro. Oh my God. We got a Diet Coke. Let me just mix everything together.
It's a Rastaman lifestyle, you see me? All right.
Little bite.
Beans.
So 3 beans stew.
This should look good.
Seasoned callaloo.
Mushrooms. Yeah, there you go.
Mushrooms.
All right.
We have quinoa and peas.
Yes. Tofu.
So that's kitchen.
You can't eat too much food. Let me go.
Yeah.
All right. Ready? Grab some more food, please. Don't eat too much.
That's good.
All right.
That's good. Trust me. Trust. That's enough, man. Trust. You told me to stop. We tried to save you before. Trust.
That's how you know I say it good. What mind there?
Wait.
Oh. Yo, you see?
Do it.
That's how you know it's the food. All right.
So this is actually yam.
It's a yam?
That's good.
Trust.
Yo, that's why you see it going so fast at the yam.
Exactly.
Watch out.
Yo,
You got a lot of food in.
Hold on.
Safe to say Jamaican food is winning.
Yam is good for after workout. We have to just.
Safe to say Jamaican food is winning.
Price the roast yam right here.
Brother, the man them say that's enough.
So tofu. We have
Yo,
seasoned
man.
quinoa. 3 beans stew. Oh, give thanks.
Yes,
Give
please.
thanks.
Speed, remember
When
what you
the
said.
food good, it goes.
Remember.
Good food, you know.
We got more food
When
in
it's
time.
good.
Very good.
Camilla's kitchen. Yo, give me a napkin film, please. Hold on, wait for a napkin.
Welcome back, guys. This is exactly the reaction I expected, because one thing about Jamaican food, it doesn't ease on you slowly. The flavors hit immediately, and that is what makes this reaction so entertaining to watch. You can literally see the surprise on people's face when they realize the seasoning is not surface level. The flavor is deep in the food itself. Now, let's talk first about patties, because honestly, that's usually where a lot of people get introduced to Jamaican food culture. On paper, someone might think it's just patty, but once they actually try one, uh, they realize that there's way more going on. The crust, the seasoning, the heat, the texture, it all comes together differently. And then combining it with the cocoa bread, that combination catches people off guard every time, because it sounds simple, but somehow it works perfectly. Now, the KFC reaction. Honestly, that moment was almost guaranteed to go viral, because people have been saying this for years, that Jamaican KFC tastes different. And once visitors try it for themselves, they usually understand immediately why Jamaicans defend it so passionately. The seasoning feels stronger, the flavors feel richer, and even the overall experience feels different compared to what many people are used to elsewhere. And what makes reactions like Speeds so powerful is that they feel genuine. You can tell when someone is forcing a reaction for content versus when they are actually shocked by what they are tasting. Now, another important part of this is the cultural side of food. Jamaican food is not just about eating quickly and moving on. It's connected to identity, family, tradition, and memory. Recipes carry history. The seasoning style carries personality. Even the way food is served reflects the culture and community. That's why people get proud watching visitors enjoy it, because it feels like they are experiencing a piece of the culture directly. Now, guys, let's also talk about saltfish for a second, because that's another food that surprises people. Some visitors don't expect it to taste the way it does, especially when combined with traditional sides. But once they experience the balance of flavors properly, it starts making sense why it's such an important dish culturally. And honestly, this is why Jamaican food travels so well globally. It's memorable. Once people try authentic Jamaican food, they usually remember it. The flavors are distinct, the seasoning style is recognizable, it leaves an impression immediately. Another thing I noticed is how natural the whole experience felt. It didn't feel overly scripted or staged. It felt like genuine reactions happening in real time. And those are the moments that connect best online, because people can tell when something is authentic. Now, stepping back, this is bigger than one streamer trying food. This is another example of how Jamaican culture continues spreading globally through experiences. Music brings people in fast a lot of the time, but food keeps them connected too, because culture becomes more powerful when people can actually taste it, experience it, and attach emotions to it. And Jamaica has mastered that in a way that very few countries have managed to do. At the end of the day, Speed's reactions are basically what happens when someone experiences authentic Jamaican flavors for the first time. Surprise turns into excitement very quickly. And honestly, once people experience it properly, they usually understand why Jamaicans are so proud of their food culture. Thank you so much, guys, for watching until the end. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe for more reactions like this. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share. I'll see you guys in the next reaction. Thank you.